Hey everybody, quick video here. This is going to be on the HU100 8-cut Lishis and what to do if you get one stuck in an ignition. I've been at the junkyard here. I got a 16 ignition, and what they get caught on here is this this dust cover right here, and not a big deal. It happens. Let me just show you something else here. These are both HU100 version 3 Lishis. And so they did correct the problem on these where they won't get stuck anymore, but they still made it version 3. They didn't change the version number on it. You see these are both version 3. Now the one on the top is an older one that can get stuck, and in fact did get stuck in this ignition the first time I picked it. And I've not been able to get it stuck since, but I can still show you what to do. So the reason that it gets stuck is this. Let me move this out of the way here. So get the camera to focus. So right here, there's a little cutout that gets stuck on the dust cover, and then on the newer one, after sometime in 2019, they did correct this. They just welded a longer plate where it actually fills the gap in right there. So that's, yeah, it's a better camera angle right there. You can see right here where the plate stops here, and there is this little cutout up here. They've actually filled that cutout in so it won't get stuck. But anyway, let's get to the point of the video here. There's no big deal. It does get stuck. Basically, as soon as you're done panicking, you just jump on YouTube. You'll find this video. And what you're going to do here, I've pre-picked this lock. So this is the dust cover right here. And when the Lishi is in the lock, okay, this lock is picked already, but I've pre-picked it. But you can go ahead and rotate it all the way over, and you can just pop the whole cylinder out. That's one way to get it out. Another way to get it out is you could probably take a few curved shims and stack them up. It might be rigid enough. What does work is this is 0.01 feeler gauge, and you can actually slide it down, and you can actually push the dust cover out of the way, and then you can extract the tool. Okay, and I haven't been able to get it stuck again. It got stuck the first time I picked it. It hasn't since, but this is what I used to actually get it out. And if you do have the older version of the Lishi, you can probably even put a shim behind it when you insert the tool, and it won't get, that'll keep it from getting stuck to begin with. But let me lock this back. But anyway, this does work. It's just feeler gauge. It's any automotive store. It's a 0.10, and you're just going to slide it down past the Lishi. And yeah, you can easily extract it without damaging or breaking anything. So hopefully that helps somebody out. If you have any questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments, and I'll be doing a video here later of actually picking this ignition and reading it, and some other HU100 stuff here. So anyway, like I said, any questions or comments, put them in the comments, and until next time, we will talk to everybody later.